Okay, hey there. Welcome to our project.
Yeah, great to be here. I quit.
And we Thanks for coming by.
Hey, yeah, thanks for having. You know what? I'm done.
Start with hey.
Hey, thanks. Real pleasure. This.
Why does this keep happening?
That's right. Most voice actors quit. Let's talk about why. Hey everyone, my name is Joe. I run LearnVoiceActing.com. After well over a decade in this industry and nearly 10,000 booked jobs, I've made it my mission to simplify the industry and empower the next generation of voice actors to take control of their careers without asking anyone's permission. Today, we're going to talk about the grim reality of voice acting. A lot of people quit, and sometimes that's fine. This career isn't for everyone, and it's okay to say, you know what, I've learned that it's not for me. But a huge number of people quit for the wrong reasons. Let's go over 3 of them, and then how to make sure they're not the reasons that you walk away from something you might love. Reason number 1, the wrong view of the industry. Honestly, this one's on us, the industry. New actors are almost always taking advice from 30 years ago. That advice says that you need a demo, you need an agent, you need to move to LA, you need theater school. That version of the industry still exists, yes, but it's actually a tiny fraction of the opportunities that are out there. The move to LA and wait tables until you get your big break myth isn't just outdated, it's actively harming people financially and mentally. You end up chasing something that vanished in the early 2000s. If you're measuring yourself against a target that doesn't exist, of course you're gonna miss it. And eventually you'll think, you know what? Maybe I'll be a plumber. And then you move on. The fix for that is learn the whole industry. It's not just LA versus New York anymore. If you're approaching voice acting like you're trying to be an on-camera movie star, it's time to change your perspective. Reason number 2, bad goal setting. This one kills careers fast. I teach my business consultation students and my voice acting students the same principle, and that's this. If you cannot control the outcome of a goal, it's not a goal, it's a wish. You can't control whether someone books you for a role. You can't control whether an agent signs you. You can control how many hours a week you work on your craft. You can control how many direct marketing emails you send. You can control how often you evaluate and tweak your audio. You can control whether you track your jobs and payments or delegate tasks so you can spend more time at the mic. Actors who set goals they can't control inevitably fail to hit them because they never could in the first place. That frustration leads to quitting. If you want to learn how to set goals that actually move your career forward and get a real updated picture of how this industry works today, the Voice Acting Academy was built just for that. You'll find a link and a discount in the description below. Reason number 3, expectation mismatch. Some people think voice acting is a get-rich-quick scheme. They buy a mic, start talking, they get paid. Others think, I do voices automatically means an agent will discover them and make their career. Neither is true. It's work. It's real work. Just like plumbing or coding or teaching, it takes education, training, discipline, and client outreach. You gotta go find that work. You have to treat it like a business because it is one. You have to market yourself, you have to research, you have to put in your hours just like any other professional discipline. As you can see, guys, most of the reasons people quit come down to perception, being uninformed, having misconceptions about success and art. The antidote is knowledge, it's experience, openness to new perspectives. If you want to be one of the people who doesn't quit, stay curious, stay active, stay open to different ideas about this career. Critically think about what other people are teaching you. Does it make sense? Does it not make sense? Connect with communities that challenge your assumptions. The Voice Acting Academy is a great place to start all this. You'll join a community of actors learning a realistic, modern version of the industry, one that helps you avoid that outdated advice and bad habits that drive people out of this business. There's a link with a discount right below this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now you go get behind the mic.